Well, for more on Rahul Gandhi's visit to Mumbai, we're joined now by Shai Venkatraman and Priyanka Kakotkar. Shai, first to you. You're at the helipad where Rahul Gandhi is expected to arrive. What can you tell us? Security arrangements in place?
Well, yes, this is the helipad from where Rahul Gandhi is expected to come. Around 10:30, he'll be landing here and then driving off to the first venue. Well, you can see cops really all along this stretch. A lot of police vans as well parked, and the police clearly taking no chances. Heavy police presence is expected right along this lane. Of course, it's 8 o'clock, so it's still a few hours to go. But we have been speaking to police officials here, and they said there will be tight security right through this stretch. The Sena, of course, had said that their workers will be here with black flags to greet Rahul Gandhi. So the police really trying to ensure that this particular stretch stays completely trouble-free.
Right. And Priyanka, of course, a lot of politics ahead of this visit by Rahul Gandhi. Just take us through what his plan is during the few hours that he's going to be in the Maxim city.
Well, Gargi is just visiting two locations. One is Bhai Das Hall in Vile Parle, where he's going to be talking to students. And secondly, here in Ghatkopar, this is a Dalit slum colony, which really came into prominence in 1997. 10 Dalits were shot here during a protest when a statue of Ambedkar was garlanded with slippers. So this is really a very symbolic venue. You can see the State Reserve Police, tight security here. He's supposed to come here by around 11 o'clock, so still quite early today, but you're seeing the State Reserve Police here. This place is plastered with posters of Rahul Gandhi, and even along this highway that you're seeing, the highway leading up to the venue, right across you can see posters, flags of the Congress of Rahul Gandhi. So really the Congress has done a lot of preparations. The police are also really on their guard. But these are essentially the two functions here. Gargi today, he's going to be interacting in Ghatkopar with slum dwellers in this area. Slum dwellers who will only be able to get into that venue showing their identity cards. Even at Bhai Das Hall, students only allowed with their identity cards. So really tight security here. But after these two functions, he's going to head right back. He's going to visit both these locations by helicopter, and then he's going to head to the airport and go to Pondicherry. Gargi.
Right, and Miloni, in fact, joins us from the Bhai Das Auditorium. That is the first place, right, Miloni, where Rahul Gandhi will be stopping. What's it like over there?
Well, Gargi, as you said, tremendous excitement. And in fact, if I can request my camera person, Sanjay, to perhaps pan and show you the kind of pictures a lot of students, Youth Congress workers have gathered here. Entire place completely filled with posters of Rahul Gandhi. Now remember, security is extremely tight. So you can see metal detectors which are in place, police personnel who are standing, QRT teams are there, the quick response teams of the Mumbai police, there are bomb squads. Also the fact that the entire route from the helipad, which is hardly a kilometer and a half away, to this spot is completely lined with CCTV cameras. They do not want any kind of trouble, because remember, the Shiv Sena has said that they want to protest Rahul Gandhi's visit with black flags. In fact, Balasaheb Thackeray has exhorted his people to come out and to protest Rahul Gandhi's visit into the city. But he is going to be here for a good 40 minutes and interact with students and talk with them. Media entry, though, is restricted. Gargi?
Right, Miloni, Priyanka and Shai, thanks so much for joining us.
Tuba.com